Hey guys, it's Kiara from iDigi Affiliate, and today we're going to continue on day 18 of making money with Clickbank using my lead gen secrets. Alright, first thing you want to do is click on the link below for my lead gen secrets. It'll log you in. All you got to do is put in your email or whatever it may be. Get that going. And click on in here. And yeah, and get that moving there. It's pretty easy to do, pretty simple to do. Put in your information and all that, and get started. Recommended is 2 accounts. Try to make 2 accounts so you can get 300 leads. But I ain't gonna say recommended. I'm gonna say minimum 2 accounts. Recommended is 5 accounts. You can go above that as well if you want to. The more accounts you have, the better chance you'll get a sale. But we're only using 1 account for this series here, and yeah, we're gonna continue promoting the product. All right, so yeah, let's get it. First, you get on Clickbank, right? Log in, do all the things you need to do. Get in, log in. Then you click on Marketplace here. Click on Marketplace, and then you click on e-business, e-marketing. You can't. This is the only system that e-business, e-marketing is the only thing that works because that's what they sign in to learn about making money online on my lead gen secret. So you want to go with e-business and e-marketing. Now you can get sales in other systems. You can get sales in other categories as well. Probably get sales in employment and jobs since that's similar. You can get sales in other jobs as well since these are real people. So more than likely you can get sales in. They might be interested in other things as well, but we know they're interested in making money online, so that's why we focus on that. People have gotten sales in other offers, but we know they're interested in this, so we're going to continue with this. Now the product that works really well for me here is Get Paid to You, Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. This one right here, the top one. This one works really well. You can get sales on other offers as well. You can try paid online writing jobs. And try live chat jobs. I've gotten sales in both of those, but none of them have performed as well as this one. Paid on YouTube, Facebook. Yeah. You also get sales with Writer Apps Review because they the same people that made this, so it's very similar, just a different thing. Or you could try a new product. This is a pretty new product here. You try giving this a shot. So yeah, but we're gonna go with this one right here because we know we can get sales with this one. That's what I want to show you guys. I want to show y'all what I know will make you get sales. Know for a fact that it will get you sales because it worked for me. If it don't work for me, I won't recommend it. You know what I mean? Anyway, let's get it. Email swipes. We want email swipes. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna do something a little different today. We're gonna take a link here. We're gonna take this email here that we sent 2 days ago, and we're gonna change it up a little bit so it don't seem like the same email. How we're gonna change it? We're gonna do something real simple. We're gonna use WordTune editor. So basically, we post that in there. He'll pay $950 a week. Work for him. Now we're gonna change it up a little bit. WordTune editor here. If you work for him, he'll pay $950. Let's just get rid of $950. Yeah, if you work for him, he will pay you $950 a week. Okay, copy this. Real good one. Fit that in now. The first name fits at the beginning there. And boom, you got that email done like that right there. Gonna close this out here. Gonna hit perfect timing. Because you want the reason why you hit perfect timing is because you want people. Oh, make sure you click select all here. By the way, I keep forgetting to do that. But anyway, you want perfect timing because when they get the email, what happens is he'll send the email to them as around the time that they're interested in looking at their emails, checking their emails and whatever, so forth. So it pops up on the top of their list, so there's a higher chance of them checking it out. All right, so let's keep it going here. So after you do this, press that, then you get this mail right here. We're just gonna change it up a little bit. Copy. WordTune editor here. Paste. We'll leave that alone. Let's just pick what. Let's pick your area. Right. Let's switch this up just a little bit. You want shorter emails. I noticed that shorter emails work better. That's why I kind of want to focus on this email. This email is pretty short. Let's change them up a little bit here. Yeah, internet access. Right here. I'm keeping an eye on you. There's a bit taking care of you. Alright, see? That's a completely different email. It's written differently, just like that. I didn't even have to really write anything. I just made the email different, slightly different. Now it reads different, but though essentially it's saying the exact same thing. But it's different. It's a different type of email. It looks different, so they're gonna be more interested in looking at it. See, they see when you look at an email, right? Say you don't seen it before, read it before, and you kind of see the glimpses of when you read it before. You're like, okay, this is the same email. That's what you're gonna think. But if some stuff changed around a little bit, like we have done here, then you're gonna think, hey, this is something different. So essentially, you might click on it again, check it out. So that's the process of what I do this for. All right, so get your link, get MLGS1 for tracking, and what I'm going to. I don't forget what I wrote. Oh, right here. All right, yeah. So yeah, click on this here. So basically, you could take emails that have been written already. Say you ran out of emails to send, you send email like this as well, and just kind of turn it around a little bit. And boom, you got you a new email. So we're just gonna hit preview and check and see if the link works real quick. The link works perfectly fine. Okay, so we just send an email and then we done. That's it. If you have multiple accounts, remember to send the email to them as well, so you can get as many sales as possible. Like I stated before, make sure to make multiple accounts, even if you take it one step at a time. Say 1, 2, 3, then 4, then 5, like something like that. We're gonna the recommended is 5, minimum is 2, so you can have 300 leads, and you can make a full-time income with 5 accounts. I know that. So that's all there is to it. Click on the link in the description to get to my lead gen secrets. Click on the link in the description to start your getting on the Clickbank if you haven't yet. And also there's another offer, Savings Highway Global, which is a $20 offer. What's good about Saving Highway Global is that you can build recurring income as well, so you don't have to worry about sales as much. Each sale is much more worthy if they stay in the system. They stay in the system, you get paid, you constantly get paid until they get out of the system or you die. All right, so Saving Highway Global works better than Clickbank because you don't have to constantly worry about it. Saving Highway Global, you can eventually stop when you get to a certain amount of money that you need to pay all your bills and whatnot. So every month. So yeah, if you really want to get a jump start on this, start that Saving Highway Global. There's a link in the description. It's only, you can start with $20, though there's a $100 subscription as well, which you will make more money faster with, but you can start with $20. All right, that's all I have to say, and peace.